What if you had the power of AI to help you with conditional logic? Well, let me show you how with Jotform. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you would like AI to help you with conditional logic, you can absolutely do that. If you're like me, sometimes you know what you want to happen, but actually going in and creating those conditional logic pieces can be a little overwhelming. So as long as you can talk through what you want to happen, let AI do the rest. So as you can see, I'm currently in my workspace and I'm going to be working on my hotel feedback form. And I'm going to come down here to work with Copilot.
Hi Kimberly, I'm Podo, an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to do some conditional logic. So if someone chooses travel agency on the how did you make your reservation, I want to show what was the purpose of their visit.
Oh, okay, let me set that up for you. So if they choose travel agency, I'll show the purpose of visit field. All set with that condition.
Perfect. Can we add a long text box after how would you rate these that says something like, can you give us more information on your choice?
Yeah, I can add that text box for you. Let me just put that in. Done. I added a long text box for more details after the rating question.
Perfect. Now, if someone chooses poor or good on any of the options, can you show the can you give us more information on your choice text box?
Yeah, I can do that. Let me update the conditions for you. All set with the condition.
Perfect. Thank you. All right. I'm going to go ahead and end my call. Let's go up to settings and let's take a look at our conditions. And we can see if it's equal to travel agency, we're going to show the purpose of our visit. And then if the rating is poor or good, we're going to show that text box. So let's go ahead and preview our form. So we can see the purpose of the visit isn't there, it's hidden. So if I choose online, it's not going to show. If I choose travel agency, it is going to show. We also see that the text box is not there, but once we choose poor or good, that option does populate. And any type of conditional logic you can think of, AI can do for you. So if you need to do any type of field calculations, it can absolutely do that for you. If we need to enable or require based on a response, you can do that. If we need to skip, hide, cancel a thank you page, or if we need to change the email recipients, you can do all of that with AI. And again, sometimes it's a little bit easier to talk through what you need than it is to come through here and try to figure out exactly what you need. So now you can let AI do that for you. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to use Jotform AI and the Form Copilot, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get a notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.